Hello everyone, my name is MJ and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. I'm here today to talk to you about the new 2K Ultra Hidden Spy Watch camera. Let's check it out. But first, if you find this video helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter, links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, spycenter.com, and if you want to purchase this product, click the link in the upper right hand corner or go to the link in the description below. Have you ever wanted to capture body-worn footage with extreme discretion, ultra high quality resolution, and still look good at the same time? Well, this is the body cam for you. Recording in 2K resolution with a completely hidden camera, even James Bond would marvel over this clever quality product. With a battery life of 90 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to record and capture what is needed. This hidden body-worn camera is super easy to operate. Simply press down a side button for 1 to 2 seconds and it starts recording. If you want to use it to record audio only, you have that option also. This camera has 16 gigabytes of built-in memory, and all you have to do to access the recordings is unscrew this tiny screw and plug the device into your computer. Let me show you what comes in the box and how to operate it. After everything's unboxed, you should have the user manual. This tells you any and all information you could need about the product. The USB charging cable, which is used to charge and export the video files. And we have the watch. Under this tiny screw, you can find the hole which is used to plug in the charging/exporting cable. You would then plug the other side into your USB computer port. Once fully charged, all you need to do to start recording is press this top left function button for 1 to 2 seconds, and you'll see a blue light indicating it's on, and then a rapidly blinking green light indicating it has started recording. If you want to stop recording, just click the same button once. Then the device will go back into standby mode. From standby mode, you can double-click the function button to enter photo standby mode, where the light will flash between green and blue. You can then click the function button to take photos, and when you're done, click the button twice to return to standby mode. You can press the function button 3 times to go into audio recording mode, where it will rapidly blink blue and then begin recording audio. Click the function button 1 more time to stop and enter standby mode again. The last mode you can go into is motion detection mode. Click the function button 4 times and it will slowly blink green, indicating it's ready for motion detection recording. Click the function button once again to begin motion detection recording. You can then hold that same button for 3 seconds to turn it off from any mode. If you ever get stuck or feel like the unit is frozen, then just press the reset button and the function button at the same time to reset the device. Let me show you a few quality demonstrations on the different modes.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. Spy Center is not responsible for any legal or inappropriate usage of our products. Spy Center encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Hey Alex, could you tell me why would someone want to buy the 2K Ultra Spy Watch?
Well, the 2K Ultra Spy Watch is top of the line in video quality and discretion. The 2K resolution is crazy good, and it doesn't get much better as far as hidden body-worn cameras go. I would totally recommend it if that's what you're looking for.
Thank you so much, Alex.
Alright.
The 2K Ultra Spy Watch is so versatile, it can even be used as a hidden camera. Simply place it down anywhere and no one will suspect a thing. This is a video and audio quality demonstration at 10 feet. This is a video and audio quality demonstration at 20 feet. This is a video and audio quality demonstration at 30 feet. Now let's head back to the studio. All the video recordings are extremely high quality, being 2K resolution, and are stored directly on the device. You can access these recordings by plugging the camera directly in your computer and playing them back via Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, or QuickTime. In the watch file, there should be 3 folders, a text document, and a program. If you want to change the date and timestamp or the video quality, you have to plug your watch into your computer and then launch the PowerCam Setup program. It's a simple interface to interact with. Once you're done, just click Create Configuration File, and then the file will automatically update the device with what you changed. The corresponding video, photo, and audio folders are where you can find all your files that you captured on your watch. Overall, this watch is top of the line in hidden body-worn cameras. Great for capturing body-worn footage, audio recordings on the go, and you can even set it down to be used as a hidden high-definition camera. If you're looking for ultimate discretion, you can't get any better than the 2K Ultra Spy Watch hidden camera. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more product tutorials and review videos. If you want to check this product out, I'm going to put the link in the top right-hand corner of the video and in the description below. On top of accepting all major credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, Spy Center is now accepting other cashless, secure payment options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, Bitcoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. What sets Spy Center apart from other spy gear stores is that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've been the leading provider of quality spy gear in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for nearly 30 years. And we offer free FedEx 2-day shipping to all 50 US states, even Alaska and Hawaii. We're standing by to answer any questions you have via online chat at spycenter.com and on our telephones at 1-800-292-7748. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.